Hello, my name is Abraham. Welcome back to my channel. If you are here in this video, it means you have watched my video on preparing your system for C++ programming. I have about 2 videos on that talks about whether you are using VS Code or you are using CLion from JetBrains. In this tutorial, we'll focus more on CLion, but we have been able to explain how you use either VS Code or CLion and other IDEs and editors that you can use. We discussed them in our previous videos. Please do well to watch them. Subscribe to this channel, and that's the only way to encourage us to keep producing these free videos. Um, Today we're going to continue on our C++, and then we'll start from variable declaration, printing them out, and then we'll discuss other things. So we're going to modify the last code in our last video, as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to my CLion. Okay, so I'll just give a comment of what we're about to do. So right, you use the double backward slash to write the comment in C++. Write the program to declare and print variables of different data types. So what we want to do is just to show you the different data types and how to declare them. If you have been following our tutorial by now, you should know the difference between strongly typed and dynamically typed, or what some people can call weakly typed. Now here we're going to introduce something for strings because of the data types that we want to start discussing, so that when it gets to the one that uses string, we'll be able to use it properly. So we're going to add and include. That includes the string. Want to include the string standard flag. Just string, not F string. That's one of the problems of using autocomplete. So we are doing this for okay. Then the next thing is we can start editing what is inside here. So declare an int in C++. You just type int, maybe in the variable name, equal to any number, maybe 20. There is float. Sorry, you need to have a semicolon. Declare a float. Float price. Then you have equal to 99. And in C++, you also have double, price double. Or let's use something that you can easily relate it into like pi. Then we also have We also have car. Car talks about just one character. Use grade and say it is A. We also have bool, yeah, represented by bool is ready. The variable say is ready equal to A. So these are list of data types that will have. Finally, say that we have string, the name of the person equal to double quote one we have to complete. So how do we display all these names that all these variables that have been declared? We can display them by just doing cout. I'll first cout name, age, okay, we can play around with it. Age, so can play around with it this way and have more of it. Price, okay. The indentation here doesn't really matter, but I'm just trying to indent it to give it some level of beauty. Which one have I not used? Age, price, grade, is ready name. Okay, the only one that is not there is pi. So let's go for pi. Yeah, okay, so everything is in order now. So the next thing we're going to do is to run it. Then you just click on run. You wait for it to finish building. It has finished building. Let me show it by the side. Move to top, right top. Yes, you can see all of them, page and all that. So they are all displaying here. Another thing that we can talk about in C++ are operators. Operators. So we can also talk about operators, and if we are talking about operators, we can, let me just clean what I have here, and then we'll talk about operators. I'll talk about operators in C++. talking about operators in C++, you have the arithmetic operators, which are arithmetic operators, which are your which are your plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulo. That's a reminder. You also have relational operators, like equal to, like not equal to, less than, greater than. You also have sometimes you have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All of them are relational operators. You also have logical operators. Logical operators are and, logical and not logical and. As we used it for not equal to. So to perform a simple we can use all these things in one single operation. For instance, now we can say if int if a equals to 10, then comma the same int b equals to 3. This can also be done in a different way. You can decide to put another int down. You can decide to do it also like this too. All of them are the same, but since two of them are int, you can just use a comma and separate it and give it the value that it needs. Then the next thing is we can do the calculation straight with printing out. You can say C out print a plus b. You can say C out print a minus b. You can say C out print a times b. You can say C out print a divided by b. You can say C out print a modulo b. So if we also test this by clicking run view, okay, so a plus b 13, a minus b 7, a times b 30, a divided by b 3. So here the division gives you only the whole number, while the modulus gives you the remainder. Please take note of that. Whole number whole numbers and remainder. Now we can keep testing or the other ones. You can say, okay, let me now use another. You can still continue and say see out whether A is equal to B. And then in this case, most of the logical ones, you need to put them in brackets. Whether A is equal to B. So here we are testing the arithmetic. Here we are testing the logical. So let us finish some of the logical that we have. A is not equal to B. A is greater than or equal to B. A is less than or equal to B. The other one we have okay greater than. A is greater than B. A is less than B. So most times these logical operators, the answer that they will give is Boolean in nature. Just like here now, you're going to see true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. So those true, false I'm talking about are represented by 0 and 1. So where you see A is equals to sorry, it started from here. Where you see A is equals to B is 0, is false. A is not equal to B, true. A is greater than B, or A is greater than or equal to B, true. A is less than or equal to B, false. A is greater than B, true. B, A is less than B, false. So that is 0 and 1, 0, 1, 0. That you are seeing there. You can do a combination of these things. And you can say A is, if you do like this, you are negating whatever is there, which means automatically whatever answer that will be there will change to, if it's negative, it will change to positive. If it is positive, it will change to negative. Let's just run, you see that the O will now be. So whatever answer it is giving you, say negative, just change it to the opposite. That's what the not there is doing. So the answer that will come out, you should see 1. Okay, you can see it here. So that's a good one. Okay. Yes. So those are the ways you can use C++ variable. Now, in our next video, we'll be talking about control structures in C++. Thank you very much.